Welcome back to Trucks Flying Great Lakes. We are currently, if you watched the last video, we are currently on Highway 3 going westbound. We are in Alberta. We just passed by a town called Franktown that had the rock slide, killing anywhere between 70 and 90 people back in 1903. And now there's crow's nests coming up here now. I do believe it's the crow's nest is the one that killed 189 people due to mining accident back in 1914. I do believe. Let's see if I'm right. I do believe I am. I'm pretty sure that's what it was. But the crow's nest, it's called Crow's Nest Pass, and we're coming up to it. We are currently going westbound on Highway 3, and well, we're going to be going into BC, and I'll be working my way down from BC down into Idaho, and then into Washington, because that's where I have to pick up my load. But beautiful area. Love the area around here. Would be great to live in this area. Maybe even into BC. Used to be back in the day, we used to call BC bring cash. You could never find the ATM machines and all that stuff, but still, for us old timers, and I say that loosely, I've been out here 24 years now. I don't consider myself an old timer. I am 47. Now this year I guess I'll be 48. Time is sneaking up on me. I haven't quite hit the 50 mark, but when I do, just be another number, right? It's how you feel. See, I may be 47 years old right now, but man, oh man, do I ever feel like I'm 65. So, but imagine waking up and seeing this, and if you guys are watching this and you do wake up seeing this, then you guys are very lucky to be able to wake up and see this. This is absolutely beautiful. I'm the lucky one too, because I get to drive through all this. Summertime is beautiful. Wintertime is not going to be. It will be beautiful in the wintertime, but not so much fun driving a big truck through all this in the wintertime. And it's a little on the windy side right now. My Google map on my phone. Yes, I happen to be looking at it, but it's only because I need to know where it is. I stopped looking at it. But look at that, eh? Beautiful. These are mountains. These are mountains, yeah. think I'm bloody lucky because I get to see all this, and I got friends and family that don't get to see this unless they're watching my videos or coming on the road with me. Hint, hint, hint. Anyways, look at that. Mountains everywhere and then a lake in between. Look at that. Wow. I guess I should take this out of that window. Woo. Very, very windy. Between all the wind hitting all these mountains, it gets to be very windy in this area. But look at that. Man. Absolutely stunning. And I think this is the crow's nest. Do you believe this is the crow's nest? And also, right where the crow's nest is, I don't know, crow's nest is just ahead of us. I couldn't pass this guy. Yeah. Right where the crow's nest is the line where BC is and Alberta is. We're not quite there, but next couple of turns, we might as well be there. Every time I cross state line or province line, I have to write down the kilometers. It's just something that we have to do. There's some nice campgrounds around here. Definitely. Never been to them, but I imagine they are nice because you got just look at the scenery, right? Look at that. Here, I'll turn the camera a little bit more. Look at this. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh, don't get over here. Look at that. Oh, we're passing by the so this must have been where the big mining things. I just passed it. Well, we were looking the wrong way when we saw there was a mine to our right, which I can't turn the camera quick enough to get to it. This might be where that mine was. All I know is somewhere around here is where the mine was. Maybe it's back there. I don't know. Hey, why don't you look it up and put it in the comments down below where this mine was, the mine that collapsed, the devastation of the mine that killed 189 people back in 1914. Look that up and let me know. Yeah, 1914. 189 people. So 189 families lost someone. Okay, so 2, 4, 3, 9. I'm gonna just say this has got to be BC at this point. 7. Let's say 4. Here we are. See that sign right there? Welcome to British Columbia, Canada. So now we are now in BC. So welcome everybody. We're now currently in BC. Bring cash.